Locking a WhatsApp chat adds an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. To lock a chat, you first need to ensure your WhatsApp is updated, as the feature may not be available in older versions. Once updated, open WhatsApp and locate the chat you want to secure. On both Android and iPhone, tap and hold the chat until a menu appears. In this menu, look for the Lock Chat option. Selecting this will enable a password, PIN, or biometric authentication requirement, depending on your device settings, whenever you try to open the chat in the future. Alternatively, you can lock individual chats using the built-in App Lock feature available on some Android phones. This option allows you to require fingerprint or face recognition to access specific chats within WhatsApp. On iPhone, you can use Face ID or Touch ID to lock WhatsApp as a whole, which will prevent anyone from accessing any of your chats without biometric authentication. Once locked, the chat remains protected and can only be accessed with the correct authentication method. If you no longer want the chat locked, simply follow the same process and disable the lock. Locking chats is a great way to keep sensitive conversations safe from prying eyes.